Hi guys, a very good morning, all of you. Hope you all are doing great. I am a student of Future Perfect program. My name is Ehtisham and I am a student of Richa's name. My teacher's name is Richa. Guys, today I am here to share my ideas how to make a resume, how to write a resume. Something is important you should fill up in your resume, and something is not important you should not include in your resume. Guys, let's start. First, you have to fill up in your resume heading. What is heading? Heading. This is where you write your name. Then you have to fill up profile. What is this profile? Profile where you describe short story, where you describe summary of your resume. Then you have to fill up in your you have to fill up education. Mention your education qualifications, years, course and percentage. Then you have to fill up experience. Mention your work experience, designation, company, year, and you have to fill up your daily rule. Skills, you have to fill up skill. What you have, something is you have like communication skills, leadership, and photography, etc. And lastly, you have to fill up extra activities. Something you have achievement, something you have awarded, something you have extra course like computer course, etc. Something is not important in resume. I would like to tell you, you should not include your age, and do not include personal information like place of birth, parents name. Don't write your weakness, and don't write your hobbies, don't write your marriage status, and don't write overuse I. Guys, that's all the best. Bye.